I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Before starting a Kia Niro EV, make sure the key fob is inside the cabin within 3 feet of the center console so the vehicle detects it. Confirm the 12-segment battery gauge or percentage on the instrument cluster and unplug the charger before starting the vehicle. Adjust seat, mirrors, and set seatbelt. This prepares you for a safe start and avoids alerts. Check that parking brake is engaged if parked on a slope and that the shift lever is in park before powering up. With the key fob inside and doors closed, press and hold the brake pedal firmly with your right foot to enable system startup. Press the engine start/stop button once to power the 12V systems and accessories, and press again while holding the brake to activate the drive-ready state and electric drive system. Watch the instrument cluster for the ready indicator before moving. Do not attempt to drive until that indicator illuminates. Confirm any warning lights clear, and listen for HVAC startup noise. To begin driving, shift from park to D using the electronic shifter, then release the parking brake if applied. The Niro EV uses a single-speed transmission. Start gently because electric torque is immediate, so apply light accelerator and watch speed increments on the digital speedometer. Use brake regeneration level 1 or 2 via steering wheel paddles or menu to recover energy while decelerating and extend range. Monitor range estimate and energy flow display, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.